Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your emergency fund plan with Marcus detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Marcus by Goldman Sachs website. Once on the home page, locate the Savings section in the main menu. Click on the High Yield Online Savings Account option. Read through the features and benefits to understand how it can support your emergency fund. Next, click on the Open Account button to start the account creation process. Fill in your personal information as prompted, including your name, address, and contact details. Choose the type of account you want to open. For an emergency fund, a high-yield savings account is ideal. You will then need to provide your Social Security number for identity verification. After entering all required information, review the account terms and conditions carefully. Once you have read the agreement, check the box to accept the terms. Proceed to create a secure login by choosing a strong password and security questions. Next, you will link an external bank account for fund transfers. Provide the routing and account numbers for the external account. Verify that the bank information you entered is accurate before proceeding. Now, you will need to fund your new savings account. Decide how much you want to transfer from your linked account as an initial deposit. Confirm the deposit amount and wait for the transfer to process. Once your account is funded, create a budget to determine how much you want to contribute regularly. Set a schedule for monthly contributions to grow your emergency fund over time. Consider setting automatic transfers to your Marcus account to make saving effortless. Monitor your savings regularly through the Marcus app or website. Track your progress and adjust your contributions as needed to reach your emergency fund goal. Stay informed about any changes to interest rates that may affect your account's growth. Finally, remember to review your emergency fund plan periodically to ensure it meets your financial needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.